Namaskar. It's Melita here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this new episode of the IG Global Panvision.
Today's telecast is sponsored by
UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.
First, the news headlines. Fishing activities come to a grinding halt owing to heavy rains in Mangalore and around. Devotees brave heavy rain to witness Nemotsava of Sri Ullati Amma of Kuttaje. The annual festivities of Mangal Devi Temple set in motion. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Konkani song from the Lorna show held in Mangalore, a dance from a musical evening held at Town Hall, and a duet by Rani and Jasmine Dikuna from Wilfie Night held in Kuwait. The news in detail. It has been an early rainy season in coastal districts of Udupi and Mangalore. While the week-long heavy downpour has caused damage to property, life and cultivation, it has also resulted in putting almost a full stop to the fishing activities. Thunder showers coupled with lightning and thundering and heavy storms have not allowed the fishermen to venture into the sea. We have an exclusive report on this. Fishing is one of the prime occupations of people of coastal districts of Dakshina Kannada and Udupi. Lakhs of people depend on fishing to earn a square meal for themselves and their family. However, the incessant pre-monsoon showers coupled with heavy storms, thunder and lightning have stopped fisheries from venturing into the sea along the coastal belt till Karwar. While trawl boats have moved towards Goa coast, small boats have been anchored at Malpe, Mangalore Old Port, Gangoli and other places. This was a scene usually noticed in the second half of June and July when fishing activities were suspended for almost 45 days. However, this year the sudden rains owing to the depression in Bay of Bengal have brought fishing activities to a grinding halt.
Complete ಬರ್ಸ ಯಾಪಲ ಬರೋದು ಈ ವರ್ಷೋಡು ಸುಮಾರು 15-20 ವರ್ಷೋಡು ಬರೋದು ಬರ್ಸ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಸ ಬರೋದುಂಡು ಅಂಚೆ ಸಮುದ್ರಗಳು ರಪ್ಪಾತುಂಡು ಅಂಚ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೋಟ್ ಪೋಪುಜಿ ಕೆಲವು ಬೋಟ್ ಪೋಂಡಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ಬಾರಿ ನೀರ್ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ದ ಬರೋದು ನೀರ್ದ ಮೀನು ಕಡೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಬಲೆ ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಪುಜಿ ಬಲೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನೀರ್ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಚ ಮೀನು ಭಾಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ
ಆಂಡ ಈ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾಪಲ ಆತಿಜ್ಜಿ ಪೂರಾ ಪೋಯಿನ ಬೋಟ್ ಬಾರ ಫಿರ ಬೈದಿನಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಾರಿ ಜೋರುಂಡು ನಾಶ ಆತನ ಪೂರ ಬುಕ್ಕ ಹಿಂದೆಗಿಂದ ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಶನೇ ಸರ್ತಿ ಬರ್ಸಾಗಿ ಐಸ್ ಮಾತ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಉಂಡು ಐಸ್ ಹೋಪುಜಿತ್ತೆ.
Fishermen are sitting with their fingers crossed, not knowing when they will be able to get back to their trade. As said earlier, heavy rains have already marched past the 33-year-old record of highest rainfall in Mangalore in the month of March. Though rains have receded, overcast conditions still prevail. People are moving about without knowing as to when the skies would open and it will start raining in cats and dogs again. People of Kuttaje and surrounding areas in Kasaragod Taluk on the Kerala-Karnataka border have braved heavy downpour to participate in the famous Nemotsava of Sri Ullalti Amma of Kuttaje on Monday, March 24th. Sri Ullalti Amma's Nemotsava of Kuttaje in Kasaragod Taluk has a historical background. The annual Nemotsava was witnessed by thousands of devotees braving heavy rain. Plastic cover was used to cover the idol. Sri Ullalti Amma is known to be the sister of Toda Kukkinar Daiva, which is one of the Raja Daivas of Dakshina Kannada. It is a feast to the eyes to view this Nemotsava. Anantadi Michi Ullalti, Kuttaje Ullalti and Ulya Ullalti are quite famous in this region. But among all, this Kuttaje Nemotsava has special significance with a 15 kg silver jakkedani, 28 kg berry pudi and rupees 1 crore worth golden face or chinna damoga. when the Ullalti Daiva moves to the rhythmic Li sounds of the devotees with richly adorned with jasmine and silver buttons, devotees get a feeling of ecstasy. The Nemotsava was supposed to be held on Saturday, March 22nd, but was postponed to Monday, March 24th, owing to pre-monsoon showers. If there's anything that surpasses all boundaries and all hurdles and braves to withstand everything, then it should either be love or devotion. Devotees who thronged in big number at Kootattaje Sri Ullalti Amma's Nemotsava have proved this again. The city of Mangalore is said to have derived its name from the Mangal Devi temple situated at Bolar. The annual festival of Mangal Devi temple, therefore, has much significance with the culture and tradition of Mangalore. The annual festivities of this famous temple were set in motion with flag hoisting on Tuesday, March 25th afternoon. The city of Mangalore was named after the local Hindu deity Mangala Devi. According to the legend, Matsyendra Nath, one of the important protagonists of the Nath cult, had arrived at Mangalore with the princess of Kerala, Premala Devi. He converted the princess to his cult and named her Mangala Devi. It is believed that they could not proceed further as Mangala Devi died after a brief period of illness and a temple was consecrated in her name at Bolar. Later, the Mangala Devi temple was renovated by the Allupa king Kundavarma in 968 AD. The annual Jatra of the feast of Mangala Devi attracts thousands of devotees from far and wide. The annual feast was set in motion on Tuesday with flag hoisting and Samohika Anna Santarpane to the devotees. It was indeed a grand beginning to the feast. Heavy rains, which had almost become part and parcel of Mangaloreans in the last 1 week, took a break and allowed all the rituals to sail smoothly without any problem. Clouds hovering over the Mangalorean skies too had taken leave as the sun was noticed at its brightest best on Tuesday after a week. That's what we've had for you in our news section today. It was a healthy blend of tradition, devotion and current affairs, wasn't it? But that's not all. We have some exclusive entertainment for you, but only after this short and sweet commercial break. Don't switch off your television. I will be right back with music and masti. Stay tuned.
Ooh. बहरेनाक आनी मस्कताक जाय पडल्यात. हाऊस नर्स, हाऊस ड्रायव्हर, हाऊस टीचर्स, हाऊस गार्डनर, ब्युटिशियन, बेबी सिटर्स, सेल्स गर्ल्स, हाऊसमेट्स, अरेबिक कुक आनी हाऊस बॉयज मुंबईत रावची. गांवांतावन मुंबई इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाक पावोवची वेवस्था, इमिग्रेशन, तिकेट आनी मेडिकल सगळें सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर करता. फोटो सांगता अर्जी धाडूंक विळास सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1302, मंगलोर 575006. सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर आतां 23व्या वर्सांत.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.